What's up, guys? Jack Instructions back with the completed exploration lava truck or lava exploration truck, whatever you want to call it. The instruction booklet is actually pretty simple to follow. It's like how many steps is it? 70 something steps. So yeah, it's a pretty easy set to build. And you can just see over here. And I'm gonna set this down. And you can see the crystal here. I actually have a little hook that just hooks on to the little piece right here. That is bolt joint to the truck. And then the two of them just link together. And then can basically just put anything on in there and just tore it around by the truck. Of course, just pour it by the truck. I'm in my clothes today, and drill bit on here. This is actually not part of the drill bit, but I just put it on here. That is for this over here. See, just sitting. And there is a little girl that's driving. My steering wheel in there as well. Pretty cool stuff, And yeah. One thing I didn't mention in part 1 that I actually got this set as a Christmas present from my aunt that just went back to Canada yesterday. I cannot say. But yeah. Enough about the jazz. Get back into the crystal just popped out. And how do you get the crystal inside the lava? Well, what you do is you take this little hook and just pull it off. And this hook can attach to anything that you want from your Lego collection. So this, of course, just get hooked. Then you can see the little hole in here, the little crystal ball. Set it on the ground. Take this little piece out, and then you can see right here, crystal on the floor. Take the drill and then post it like this. Just bend it out, kind of like straight. And then now you take the little drill bit. Come on, focus. Oh, damn. So here we go. Take the drill bit and then just stick it into the ball's little hole. Try to make it stay. So yeah, it's not staying at all. Sometimes there's something there. There we go. You can see it right there like this, and then just take the drill and then push it in. So crack, and then just pop it out. And then here we have the little crystal that kind of looks like a tree, kind of resembles a tree, and yes, that is a Pringle can. So pop this out. You can see that it's sort of like a tree. It's a blue color crystal. Right there. It's pretty awesome. And then this thing just sits into the half of the lava ball. There's a little stunt and then there's a little hole. Those two just stuck together. Oops, dropped it on the phone. To get it back, there's two little stunts on top that connects to the little hook piece, and there's another two stunts on the other half of the ball. Make sure those two stunts are aligned and just snap it together. And then, of course, take the little hook piece, just stick it in. There we go. There is the lava exploration the truck, I guess we can call it. I don't know the official name of the set yet. It is not written on the box. You guys can see. it is not returned on the box anywhere. So yeah, that's why I don't know the name of the set yet, but once I know it, I will tell you guys immediately. This is Dragon Productions, of course, signing off.